Hey everybody, and welcome to this season's Teen LibCrate. So this time around we're gonna do fantasy. We are in the summer, we're having a fantastical summer in which we have our LibCrates. In this month's LibCrate, we're doing fantastical fantasy. So what we're gonna have this time around is that we get a copy of the book talk. This book talk is for the summer. That tells you everything we have happening this summer at your local library and in the whole system. So you can see your teen programming, you can see our general age programming. We have a lot of cool stuff happening at the library this summer and we wanna see you there. Not only do I wanna see you at the library this summer, I wanna see you at the library for summer kickoff. Summer kickoff is June 7th at 10 a.m. at the main library branch downtown. Not only do we have the summer reading kickoff, but summer reading is from May 26th through July 31st. Please sign up. You get free stuff when you read. And if you're checking out the LibCrate, you are reading already. So if you read, you get free stuff. But we have so much awesome stuff happening at kickoff on June 7th. In our box, we also have a wonderful bookmark that tells you some other fantastical reads that you can check out from your local library. We also have a wonderful Spotify playlist. It is Songs That Slay. We're giving you tracks that you can slay dragons to. Songs That Slay, we have a QR code that'll take you right to the Spotify playlist. We gave you a fantastic quill pen that you can write in with the small composition notebook to write all your fantastic tales in all together. We also have for your snack, we have Fantasy High Chews. For your super awesome craft, from our main makerspace, we have a laser cut fairy door. In this bag, you get all the pieces to make a super awesome fairy door. You're also gonna get some paint so you can design it however you like it. If you don't wanna paint it, you don't have to, but the bare bones version is this. We have a little fairy door. Thank you to the Maine's Makerspace. You get to use the Maine's Makerspace for free with your library card. We have laser cutters, we have 3D printers, and all of which is free always. And last but not least, we have our fantasy book. And the only thing you have to return is your library book when you're done, and this empty box.
So sign up for your LibCrate today, kids. And don't forget to come to the summer kickoff first Saturday in June and dunk me in the dunk tank. We'll see you at the library this summer. Remember to keep reading.